Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love.
Sunrise breakfast. Yes. Very well done. And if you can add the anila with the breakfast.
Yes.
Don't file cross. Okay, don't file my cross on. Then pork. Chips. And then you put a bacon Benedict cheese. With chips, yes. Yeah, chips.
Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with
Good morning, for a change.
For a change.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Say good morning, guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah. We are called Syanto Travel. I'd like to welcome the old and the new subscribers.
Yes, guys.
Thank you guys for your support.
Oh, yes, guys.
And the likes, we saw the like on our previous video.
We really appreciate it, guys.
Truly appreciate guys. Because those likes will make YouTube recommend our videos to others.
Yes,
so
guys.
with those likes, you're helping us to grow the channel, and we're very thankful for that.
Yes. Yeah, guys.
So
we just came back to breakfast
from Fire and Vine. If you have been around the channel, you know.
It's our favorite spot.
We like that spot.
Yeah.
It's becoming our favorite. I think it's a fifth time going there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. But it has really become our favorite spot.
We like it. Food never disappoints. Service never disappoints.
One and the same thing all the time.
It's one of those places where you know you're gonna be comfortable.
Yeah, you got the Metropolitan. We highly recommend the place if you are around Pietermaritzburg,
guys.
Fire and Vine.
Yeah,
it's fire, as the name say.
Yeah.
So it's December.
Yeah, we're running errands today. Up and down.
And in December.
Yeah, and December also.
In December. So we're doing all those
things, guys.
Those nice things at December.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're coming along with us, guys. We're gonna take you through whatever our days goes today. So stay tuned. Yeah. See you on our next location. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the
Yes, guys.
Yeah, guys, I think the errands are errands.
It's not the next day. It's still the same day.
Just because when I look different.
Yeah, look different.
It doesn't mean it's the next day.
Yeah, guys.
Tell them why you say
There's nothing to tell, as they can see. Am I look pretty or am I look pretty? Yeah, guys.
Guys, we went and looked for a weave at a place where you normally do your hair.
Yeah.
But they chilled themselves.
Yeah, today they're not in the mood.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. It's the place that she always do her hair.
Yeah.
We even showed the other time where they plaited the hair so
nicely.
So beautiful. But today, I don't know what's happened.
So we went to another place.
Which was
exclusive. It's called
Scottsville,
exclusive hair.
Scottsville Mall.
Yeah, Scottsville Mall.
Yeah.
So I find one that I liked. Yeah, because I don't like the long length ones, but we'll see along the way. I wanted the short one because it's hot now. It's summer.
Yeah, I also find my techies as well.
Yeah.
So I think the errands are errandsing today.
Yeah, they are.
They're errandsing well.
The man is finishing the man.
Well.
Yeah, okay, guys. As you can see, there will be no need for me to unbox. So unpack, unbox, and those things that you normally do.
Leave it on.
Leave it on. Yeah, but maybe we'll show you your techies later on. Yeah, and then
maybe on Christmas.
Oh, maybe on Christmas. Ingubo za Christmas. I couldn't wait for Christmas, guys. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do now.
I don't know. Still errands.
Yeah, still errands. Yeah. All right. So see you. Bye.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From